All right, you see this right here? I'm gonna give it that pop out effect. As you can see, I gave it to a pop out effect, and I'm gonna show you what tool I had used, and you can use the same tool for free. And I'll be sure to leave the link down in the description.
Easy Solutions. Make it truth.
Hello, welcome everyone back to Easy Solutions. Yes, in this day, I can't even talk right now. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I'm not sorry. I apologize. Today we're going to talk about setting up and making your video, like your video, actually pop and stand out. I know you've seen most of those software. Some of the elements that I'm using in here may not be free, but you can do your research, do your due diligence, and you may can find some additional footage that's out there. Like there's Pixabay, there's Pexels, and there's other stock footage videos that you can go out there and get and download them to Canva. But with that being said, let's go in here and let's go and dive in. I don't know if a lot of you may not be familiar with Canva, but there are a bunch of tutorial videos that's over this specific site. They done did a lot of changes with inside here. I don't want to go over too much details. This is not what you came here for. So let's go ahead and start this video. So what you want to click on is video right here. Okay. Now let's say I want to have some type of background, but this is what you want to do. You want to go in here. You don't want to add none of these videos, nothing like this right here. Okay, let me show you what you do. You go here, and I go to Pexels, right? And let's go look for something like, I'm just gonna say, let's go to streets. I know it's not the same. It's not going to be like the same type of video. I don't want to create nothing around it. When I'm trying to be creative, I want to create something totally different for this right here. Then I may can use this onto my social media page. Okay. Now let's see here, because when I'm doing this, I don't never create content like necessarily free. When I create these type of videos, these tutorial videos, I always put it either on my YouTube channel, not YouTube channel, on either post onto Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, or those such as social media platforms. But yeah, I'm gonna look for something like street, maybe something like that. Let's go to like something like a street life type thing, and I'll probably grab this image right here, right, and I'll bring it up to about right here, and yeah, about something like that. And I'm gonna grab another piece right here, and what I'll do with this one, see how that is right there. What I'm gonna do with this one though, I'm gonna flip it around. See this up here at the top? I'm gonna flip it around horizontally. I'm gonna bring it over just like so, and I want to bring that even with this one. Okay, so I got two pictures in one. Okay, basically what I got here, and I'm gonna bring it just a little bit over this way, like this. Okay, now I just need to go find a video, correct, to put in here. Like somebody, this time I'm gonna grab somebody dancing. I don't know, I might grab the same characters, I might find someone different. But yeah, for that part. But yeah, I'm gonna center this more likely. I'll try to center it to the middle. Let's see, I think this is the middle, somewhere here. I could put some guidelines in here, but I'm not gonna even bother. I think I'm just gonna keep this about right there. Well, let's do that. Let's just do it a little bit different. I'm gonna center it. I'm gonna try to see if I can center it right about right there. I think that's in the center. Both pictures are. But as you can see, I got both pictures in here, correct? Okay. Now, what I want to do, go back up here. I'm gonna go back into elements again. I love elements for some reason. But what I'm gonna do is I'm also gonna go look for like somebody dancing. I'm gonna get this somebody dancing here, but I want it in a video. Okay. And let's see here. Let's scroll down. Let's see what I can find here. Got this guy right here. You know, I picked him last time. Let's look for somebody a little different. I could get this robot guy. I don't want the robot. I could get the little poopy, but we don't want no poopy because we're not pooping, right? We're not doing it. This is not one of those type of videos. Let's see here. What I want. I can't find the guy. I can't find nobody that I really want. But did you see these right here? See how they all say pro? See, that's one that's not a pro, but that's not a good one for this video. This girl is, nope, that's not a good one. It's too far in the distance. You couldn't see that person. See, I could get this here. I could get this right here. Let's see. Let's get this. I will get this right here. I think I will get this cartoon. Gonna edit, and you want to go to background remover. It's still in beta testing. Now I don't know if you'll be able to get this here if you do for the free plan, but then you do. It is a 90-day. I think it is a 90-day. Is it 90 days? Or they giving you 60 days? I think a free plan with that. With this. Not sure. But let me. But I'm pretty sure that you can go in here. You can get in here for free, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what it's gonna look like. Okay. Got it right there. It's almost like the pop-out effect, okay? But I'm gonna bring her up. We just gonna say it's a her. I'm gonna bring her up right there. Bring it down just a little hair. Just a little bit right there. See, I'm giving it a pop-out effect. Like I know you see most of those videos. They try to have you to pay for this software. That you don't really have to do that. Let's see here. Okay, that's pretty straight. We'll go with that for now. But let me see right here at the bottom for some reason. But I don't know. I just want to bring it down just a little bit, like she popped out the screen here. Yeah, about like so, like that. I think, and then maybe right down like that. Okay. Now what I do is go grab some text here. Let's see. Grab some text. I'm gonna put this text up here like this, and we're gonna say something like what I want to say. Maybe let's see. You're in the right place. Okay, and we're gonna make that change that font. I'm gonna change it to Anton. I guess that's how you say that. And I want to change the do I want to change the color of that? Yes, I do. But I'm gonna bring it down. I know I misplaced some stuff here. Yeah, you are. It should say. It says you. It should say you are. You are. You in the right place. But that's cool. We'll do that. You are in the right place. There we go. And that looks better. And I think I want to bring. I don't know. We want to bring it about like that. That's cool. Then what I want to do is, as far as alignment, I'm gonna align it like that. And I want to bring this. I want to make these. You are. No, we don't want that. We want the right place. Yeah, the right place. We're gonna have this right here. Maybe some red colors here. Yeah, we'll make that red. Add some effects to it. I'm gonna go with this type of effects right here, and we're gonna bring it right down here below this time. I'm gonna give it that pop out effect on it. Make it pop out like so, and gonna put her like in the front of this, position it forward like that. Bam. Then yeah, that part. Okay, but we want this to move about right here, just like that. Okay, and bam, there it go. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I can push play. I can add some music in here. That's what I'm about to do. And yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna add some music in here, and I'm probably gonna make a double clip of her. I'm gonna double clip her, and I'm gonna put two, like, you know, it's like two of them. I'm gonna bring one over here like so, and let's see how it's gonna look. I want them to be moving the same way. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that's it. That's how I want it to move. Bam, there we go. Okay, now we got the double clips in there, correct? Okay, now what I want to do is I want to go over here and add some little bit of music. Let's get some music inside here, and I think that would be totally awesome. So let's go here to elements again. I'm always forgetting. Let's get off of dancing dude. Let's get off of that, which we didn't use a dancing dude. I can put that car in the background if I want to. This right here, and add that to the back. Let me see. Let's see, like this right here. I can add this in the back somewhere. Bam. That looks kind of funky though. I don't know about that one, ladies and gentlemen. That looks like it. No, we don't want that. What about this truck? What about the truck? Let's see. Maybe we could get the truck in there. Maybe it's sitting over here to the side or something, you know. If I was in, I could take this here and put it in Photoshop and re-edit all this here and make it look pretty doggone awesome. But it's another tool that I use other than Photoshop. There's another tool out there, and maybe I'll share that one day with y'all on another tutorial video. But I'll see. I'm gonna move that truck way that back there to the back, like it's coming in, like so. Bam. I'm gonna leave that like that. That just give it some type of other graphics to it. But what I was looking for was what did I say I was finna go and do? Okay, that distracted me. Oh yeah, I was finna go in here and add some music. That's right. Here we go. And I guess I might give it a little bit of trap music here. Let's see. Most people call it trap. Most people call it hip hop. But you know. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. See, most of these I'm used them quite a bit before, so I don't want it. I'm not gonna play it all the way through the music because I got music already playing through this here video now. So that's it. We don't want that. Nothing epic. We might just use that one. Might just use that one right there. Maybe. Let's see. What's this? Yeah, we know about that. Yeah, we'll use this creepy one right here. We'll use that. But we're gonna adjust it. We're gonna adjust it to about right here, ladies and gentlemen. You see how I'm moving this down here on the bottom? You can adjust it. Now, if it doesn't actually show up, you can go right up here to the top and push this. It says adjust. Now, this is an audio effects. They just added this like this year. So what I can do is add some fade in there, 4 seconds. And when it's first starting off, I'm gonna do 3 seconds. But at the end, I'm at 4 seconds. But let me play this for you real quick. Let me stop the music. Okay. Okay, it's not gonna work with that truck. You see what that truck did to my friend? I'm gonna have to put it to the back. So okay, let's fix that. This needs to be pushed to the back. Okay, now let's see if it's almost pretty. It's pretty decent, but you get the idea. Now I could do some more effects. I could have had it to where it jumps out the screen, but it does not do that into. You can't do that with inside here. They don't have that type of tool just yet, but trust me, I'm pretty sure that they working on some things. Let me see if I can get it to. I don't want it to do it like that. I want it to pop out at the end. Let's see. See, I don't want it drifting. I don't want it to do that. Maybe breathing. Yeah, maybe breathe. Maybe might make it pop out. Look like it's popping out the screen. Let's try that. Let's take a look, ladies and gentlemen. A little bit. It's okay. But you see the effects of it. See, you can do that. Now, if I want to, I can take it and I can move this here around if I wanted to. If I wanted to do this, say if I wanted to put this right here, I can. You see what I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen? See how that truck, now that truck look like it? Yeah, that too. Now, I think it looks better up there. Am I correct? Yeah, I think so too, ladies and gentlemen. I like it up there as well. And then what I could do as well, what I could do down here on the bottom, it just looks so empty. I could bring this one, maybe. Let's see, can I make it like they pop really stand out bigger than the other one? That might work a little bit too better. Let's try that. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. Okay. Now with that said, ladies and gentlemen, you seen that I created that from scratch. And come on now, y'all go out there and y'all be creative. This goes out to all my creators, and I appreciate you guys for coming in to Easy Solutions and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like bell, the like button, which is free. Everything is free on this page, okay? Even the link below is free. So don't forget to hit that like, which is free. Don't forget to subscribe, which is free. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I make the next up and coming video, which is free. Now with that said, y'all continue on having a glorious, wonderful day. Bye for now.